Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss what are the letters of request and letter patent appeal. So firstly, letters of request, which is otherwise called as letter rogatory. So here it is a letter issued by a court in one country to a court in a foreign country requesting for some judicial assistance from the judiciary of that other country. So it talks about judicial assistance. So what kind of judicial assistance? To serve process on a person resident in that means to serve a summons or a warrant, or to take evidence of a specified person in that country. Under Section 77 Procedure Code, the court, in lieu of issuing a commission, may issue a letter of request to examine a witness residing at any place not within India. It can be used as witness evidence in the course of a trial of the suit. So let's go to the history of the letters of request from where it came from. So firstly, Hague Convention on the Service Abroad of Judicial and Extrajudicial Documents in Civil or Commercial Matters 1965. So it is basically called the Service Convention, entered into force in India in 2007. India has made a reservation to the convention objecting to service of process by mail or directly on defendants through judicial officers without the involvement of designated central authority. So, a central authority is designated and all requests for service can be sent to it. Then the request should be modeled along the lines of the model annexed to the Hague Service Convention, and the documents for servicing must be in English language. The central authority then either execute itself or arrange for the execution of the letter of request. The second one, Hague Convention of 18th March 1970 on taking of evidence abroad in civil and commercial matters. So the Hague Convention was concluded to facilitate the transmission and execution of letters of request and to further the accommodation of the different methods used for this purpose in order to improve mutual judicial cooperation in civil or commercial matters. So the central authority designated in India for this purpose is the Ministry of Law and Justice and the High Court in all the states and the Union territories. So now let's discuss letter patent appeal. So it is a appeal by a petitioner against a decision of a single judge to another bench of the same court. Let's see an example. Suppose there is a court A. A decision is passed by the single bench judge. The petitioner is not satisfied at all with the decision. Then he may file a letter patent appeal to the two judge bench of the same court A. So what is the maximum period of limitation to file a letter patent appeal? So filing appeal before High Court against order of the High Court itself, which is called as intra-court appeal. The maximum limitation period is 30 days. And filing appeal before the Supreme Court against order of the High Court, which is called as inter-court appeal. The maximum limitation period is 90 days. On what basis petitioner will file the appeal? If the case involves substantial question of law, that is, if it directly or indirectly affects the rights of the parties and raises some doubt on the issue. Secondly, if the interpretation of the constitution or legal provisions have been wrongly inferred or decided. Another important point, the intra-court appeal is not maintainable in criminal matters as decided in the Supreme Court case, whether that order has been passed by under Article 226 of the Indian Constitution or Section 482 of the Code of Criminal Procedure. So this is all about today. Hope you all will like it. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.